let's go explore. Let's go to HomeGoods and see what they have in for spring, for Easter decor. They have put out like a lot of new stuff, and spring is almost here too. So I like the big pieces that they have out. So they have like these little houses, a lot of things that you can put around if you have the space for it. The little characters, they have the little bunny in the rain. They have like small pieces too, a lot of cute ones. They have plushies. They have a ton of things, and you'll see later on, like you could even create like a really nice Easter basket if you want to do an adult one, if you want to do a child's one. They have a lot of cute options for things to put in those too, along with home decor at Home Goods right now. I always love to take a look at the furniture. Something about green that I just really like. I guess it's like a natural color, that's why. But the green on this I like, and it plays well too with woods, like other natural colors. But that one is like $300 for that $299.99, and it's just nice, simple, and the cushions are real nice on that. They have a lot of faux florals, whether you're looking for like faux floral plants, the planters to put things in, different things. They have some really cute wreaths in right now. These are so cute, and a lot of these you can see that these are like dupes for like other high-end places. So if you were looking to grab like a door hanger or a wreath or something like that, I would definitely check out Home Goods to see what they have for the season. And they have a lot of different styles too, so based on what your style is, if you want something else a little more green, a little more floral, they have ones with eggs in it. The carrot one was my favorite one, just really nice and simple. I also like this style, like the carrot style done with like tulips or something like that. But that one right there is $25, and generally the wreaths are going to be around the same price. So they'll they really don't vary that much unless they are like real elaborate or something like that, and then it might be a little more. But that one, the eggs in it were really pretty. They have just a lot of different options, like I said. So if you are looking for a wreath, definitely check out Home Goods because they have a lot of cute options. That little skate planter reminded me, Dollar Tree has a new collection too of party supplies, and that reminded me of that. But they have a lot of cute stuff, and like I said, the big pieces I think are really cute. Sometimes my pet peeve with Home Goods is them putting the prices close to the bottom or something like that, especially on big pieces, because who really wants to lift that up just to see how much it is? But they have a lot of cute little knickknacks that you can grab. And like I said, I like the little characters. They have their cute little outfits. You can see her little outfit there. And then she has like a little basket in front. She has a little hat going on. Just the details in these are super pretty. If I had like space to store these things in the off season, I would definitely get like a lot of these big character pieces and do like some cute little setup and stuff. I just think it's real pretty. But me, like my space is like things like this, something that I could put on the shelf or something like that, and then put in the closet when this season is over. They have St. Patrick's Day items too, and these are like affordable. I like the basic St. Patrick's items, but the dogs I thought were super cute. I don't know, I'm just like a dog lover, but these are super cute. So they had this one right here, $30, and just even the gloss on it I thought was cute, and then this one right here. But they had a lot of cute little St. Patrick items, and the Passover items I think are really pretty. Like I don't know if this is the traditional style for Passover pieces, but the gold, the details in these, just really pretty. So they have a variety of different things. These candles are so pretty to grab, and they come in a pack of 4. And a lot of this stuff is really inexpensive. This little matzo ball soup, cutting board type thing that you can just put up for decor. Just a lot of cute ones. And then you'll see in another collection that I feel kind of goes with those gold pieces, this little beehive honey thing. And these are just things you can leave up all year, like really, that like, and a lot of them, like I said, are cheap, so they're under like $10. The cups, I love the spring cups. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of has like a little raised detail in it, so it looks like I guess it is, I don't know if it is, probably not, but hand painted, but it looks like it's hand painted. They had some more St. Patrick's items tucked away there in the back, and then they always have like cute kitchen stuff. I like the Disney characters, different things like that. But they'll have like other things just for spring, things that you can use for all year round. but just a lot of nice ones. And I also like at HomeGoods how they put the themes together. So this one is like the lemon theme. So I like how they put it together because they go further than just lemon placemats and lemon furniture or pieces and stuff like that. But they have lemon food, lemon things that you can grab. So you can just go total lemon out with it if you wanted to. And then they had a lot of clearance today at my HomeGoods. So this is like a flavored water. I don't know if you've been seeing like a lot of the I even saw at Walmart they had like a flavored, Paris Hilton has a flavored water bottle, but that one is cute. I like the container of it. It just looks like something nice that you can put out. But they have a lot of mugs. Always HomeGoods has a lot of mugs, a lot of character mugs, a lot of different mugs. They have Stitch, Hello Kitty, a lot of Disney characters, but a lot of pretty ones too, like those floral ones there. They have Pac-Man. This Mr. Potato Head I thought was so cute. He was cracked though. And then the mugs generally stay around the same price also. So the mugs, I've never seen a mug over $10 really. I can't think of one that I've seen over $10 at HomeGoods, like usually around $5, $8, around that price range. But this little Stitch piece right here I thought was cute, and then kind of has that little Easter makeover to it. And then they had a few other cute Stitch pieces. Like I said, they'll have Hello Kitty, they Stitch, some cute Pooh pieces too that they had in like Winnie the Pooh. So if you're looking, definitely check out HomeGoods for like those character Disney pieces and stuff like that. I know in certain areas, I feel like a lot of the character pieces go fast, but in my area, we tend to keep a good selection. Like that Stitch upside down container there, we've had that for a long time at HomeGoods. But back to the spring pieces, like I said, a lot of cute spring pieces that you can grab. The little carrot pieces there, like just a lot of cute ones. So, and then they're functional too, so you can use them. They're containers, you can put things in them, placemats, different things like that. You could make like a really nice place setting. They had a lot of cute soft girl style pieces too, so you'll see these cups like all over the store, like different versions of it. But they had those, you can see $4, and it has like a little raised kind of detail in it. They have the little checkered plates, and these are like those outdoor plates, kind of like that plastic kind of feel to it. A lot of clearance. A lot of the Hello Kitty stuff was on clearance too. So you can see that was on clearance. They had the containers. They had these containers. Some of these are going to be from like Valentine's. But a few good options. They had some cups, they had some containers, they had a few different things, and then a lot of other clearance things too that they had in at my HomeGoods when I did go. Like the sale is not like a super sale, but it is just like a little discount on it. And you see these pieces with the gold kind of go with the Passover pieces. To me, they do. And then it has like that hand molded kind of detail, like when it has like the indentations and stuff like that in it. I feel like that. And then you can see the little soft girl detail on that, the little bow and stuff like that. Just a lot of pretty pieces. And those are pieces that you can really leave out all year. The soft girl pieces, the gold pieces, these are things that you can really just use all year. And like I said, they had a lot of those soft girl pieces, and I like how they section them. So they have like pink, this one is like blue, so you can see, how to pair that together. Then in the glassware, like I don't know if you can see it, but like it has the prettiest details. It's like raised, and it looks like it's hand painted. And they have like those Libby style glasses, the glass straw with the little detail on it. They had some for St. Patrick's Day. They have some for just like the soft girl style, like I said. But just a lot of cute options. And the cups, these little Hello Kitty ones, that double tumbler set, like the Libby style glasses. And then they have like the cutest little like wine glasses. I don't know, like, are they wine glasses? But I don't know. They are super pretty with the bow, and you get a set of 2 of those. I thought those were super cute. Just a lot of pretty ones, especially if you do like, you decorate your bar, you have like a little drink station, something like that. These are really cute to put out. And those are like $17 for the 2. I thought those were cute. Blankets, towels, different things for Easter. They have those. I thought this little bunny basket with the rags in it was super cute. Something to put, especially like if you decorate your bathroom and stuff for the season. That one is a cute one to grab. And it's like, I think it's like $15 or so. And then they had it in different colors too. So if you wanted to try a different color, you can do that. And then you can coordinate with the the towels and different things like that. They have the green. I like that color green too that they have. And you can see that even plays well with the grays, but just a lot of different pretty detailed Easter spring style things for your bathroom that they have. Hello Kitty finds, like I said, they just sprinkle these throughout the store. So they had that one there. They have a nice little St. Patrick's one here, and you can see it comes in 2 colors, and this one is a pack, so you'll get multiple in the pack for that one right there. This one right here I think is cute for a teacher, so if you know a teacher, you want to do a teacher's gift, this Hello Kitty blanket I think is super cute. The colors are real nice and the print is real nice, and you can tell it's for a teacher because it has like the little apples and stuff like that. Furniture, always check out the furniture section. A lot of nice neutral pieces in right now. Just I love the wood, like the play on wood with the neutral colors, stuff like that. But they have ones with like nice pops of color, different things like that. So that's what I love about HomeGoods. Like there's always like a piece for different styles. Like you see this ice cream cone basket right here. They always have like some cute little pieces and a lot of things that'll play into different styles and stuff like that. I like the print on the back of this little chair right here. It kind of gives like that vintage look to it, and then it has the silver detail, which a lot of pieces you'll see like gold detail, but I like the silver detail sometimes. It's like based on what you're looking for in your home. This Easter basket is so stinking cute. The bunny is so cute in there, and then you can see they put a little blanket in there. If you wanted to, you could add a few extra things and give it away like an Easter basket. Like I said, the variety of pieces. See, like I said, this you can find something for everyone at HomeGoods. That little piece right there, the sofas, just a lot of good. I always have to check out the furniture section anytime that I do go to HomeGoods because, like I said, even though I might not be in the need for a piece, I have to see I might need it. This pillow was cute. I saw a pillow similar to this though at Walmart that was like half the price, maybe even less than half the price, but they have that. These I thought were so cute, just so pretty. So the sheep, the duck, the rabbit, and you get the set, and you see like a lot of different little pillow sets, which I think are cute. So we have the bunny, and then we have the other little pillows with the ruffle detail. They have the Hello Kitty set, just a lot of cute little pillow sets, which I thought were nice because sometimes you want a little variety. And then, like I was talking about in the beginning, they give you some great ideas if you wanted to make an Easter basket, if you want to make like an adult Easter basket, different things like that. You can pile some cute things in a basket together. They had like the notebook there, they had some plates, but you can put in some of these cute little decor pieces in there. HomeGoods, carries food, different things like that. You can really get creative and put together something that I think would be cute and like a nice adult basket. Or like I said, even if you want to do it for a kid, they have other things in here because they'll have like kid items and stuff too. But yeah, HomeGoods right now has a lot of really nice spring Easter pieces out right now that you can grab, and like I said, for a lot of different styles. So if you're looking for something, definitely check out and see what HomeGoods has.